Yep.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Aditya TV YouTube channel. Welcome back to episode 2 of IPL debate series. In the episode 1, we have discussed about Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. If you did not see the video, the link is in the description as well as in the I button. So go watch there. And if any RCB and Sunrisers Hyderabad fans watch the video till the end, this video is exclusively for you guys. Let us start our debate. As you already know, me and Yashwant are going to take SRH side, whereas Varshintej and Bharadwaj are going to take RCB side. So let us start our debate. Yeshu.
So our playing 11 is, as you know, openers are Johnny Bairstow and David Warner. Then comes Manish Pandey.
And then at number 4, we have Vijay Shankar. Number 5, Priyam Garg. Number 6, Mohammad Nabi. Number 7, Rashid Khan.
Then it's Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Then Siddharth Kaul and Khalil Ahmed.
And number 11, we have Shahbaz Nadeem. Yeah, guys, can you tell your playing 11?
Yeah. Hello everyone. We are taking RCB side this time, and the ideal playing 11 for RCB is Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, A.V. de Villiers at number 3, and at number 4 it is Devdutt Padikkal, and at number 5 it is Shivam Dube, and at number 6 it is Dale Steyn, and number 7 it is Moeen Ali, and number 8 it'll be Washington Sundar at number 9, and Yuzvendra Chahal. At number 10 it is Umesh Yadav, and number 11 Navdeep Saini.
Okay. So shall we start the debate? Are you guys ready? So before only, are you comfortable, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So let us
Yeah.
start our debate. Yeah. Yeshu, take over the point.
Yeah.
No, let them take now this time.
Yeah.
You people can start this time
Yeah,
actually.
we are giving you an opportunity to attack us if you are
Yeah.
If you have
having any
valuable
point.
point.
Yeah, please raise the point.
So, SRH,
Yeah.
I don't think this time SRH captain have the full belief in the bowling unit, because I did not see David Warner anytime taking risks and give it the last or first new ball overs to spinners. But Kane Williamson did that well with Mohammad Nabi in the team. But I don't think Warner will take that risk, and I think it cannot give the boost up for the bowling team when defending low scores, because if a captain does not believe the bowling unit, I think they cannot get their confidence back and defend low totals. I think Warner should take that, and that's the one, the lack of belief on the bowling team affects the team very much. So I think that's the main
So, okay.
weakness.
So you're saying that Virat Kohli has lots of confidence on RCB's side, RCB's bowling unit, right? So you mean that? Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the
I mean
reason in
that because
2019 you gave the new ball to Moeen Ali and you lost all of the matches you've played. I guess.
not wait, Moeen Ali is not used to bowl new ball. Washington Sundar and Yuzvendra Chahal are very
Okay.
used
Let me
to bowl a new.
yeah, let me give clarity. In 2017, David Warner was captain, and Mohammad Nabi, Rashid Khan were two new players in IPL, and David Warner gave them opportunities in the power play itself, and they took wickets also. So how can you tell David Warner is not
Recently,
having confidence on the
he's,
bowling unit?
he's not taking that risk recently. I'm saying about recent, not about 2017 or 2016, where they are the
Yeah.
champions. We
2017
know
was
that.
the year where David Warner was a captain. You were saying about David Warner's captaincy, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
I
what.
think
See,
they are. He's
2019,
not ready
most of
to
the
take
part
the risk
Warner
at
was
this
not
moment.
like. Yeah,
Yeah.
2018 Warner was not there. 2018 he gave a
Yeah.
top comeback,
So
but
firstly,
he
if
was
we
not a
see head
captain.
to head, okay, let us, Yeshu, let me raise a point. If we see head to head, especially Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore, SRH is leading. If we compare SRH and RCB in terms of batting, bowling, fielding, I think SRH is always leading them. In the last 4 years, SRH have reached the playoffs all the times, whereas RCB has reached only once. I mean,
2019,
and
and we
if you
won
see in the
2016
last 4 years,
also.
SRH have reached the finals two times, and RCB have reached only one, and even that once also it lost in the finals, that too against SRH. And in 2009 also, Hyderabad team was the team who defeated RCB in the finals. So I mean, especially RCB have played three finals
Years
in
with
which two
different
times they have lost
relation.
against Sunrisers Hyderabad. I mean, Sunrisers Hyderabad as well as Deccan Chargers.
don't take the
track
point of
record
second
wise,
charges because they different players. Herschel
yeah,
Gibbs, Adam Gilchrist.
Okay,
So no
true,
point.
true,
No
man,
see,
true,
this
true.
comparison
this you can
between
use.
Herschel
You
and
fine.
Gilchrist.
I
So
So
that
think
time
about that.
you guys also are not having Washington Sundar and all, right? So I
Yeah,
mean,
right.
I'm talking about track records. That time you can't tell, those players are not there, these players are not there. Okay,
The
uh,
process is
if you
important, not the data. The results and process are important, not the data. If the
okay,
process and results are good, the data will be always good. And sometimes luck won't be our side, so I don't believe in many of them don't believe in data, not only me. Many players like Dhoni, Rahul Dravid don't believe in data. They just believe in the process and the result. So I think we should believe in process and result, not on the data.
yeah. So the result
Yeah.
of the last 3 years of RCB was worst.
Uh,
Let us get out of this
Now let,
point
now
about
let me
RCB's performance. Let me talk about captainship. We have two amazing captains. I mean, of course, only one will captain the team, but David Warner and Kane Williamson both are like very experienced. Kane Williamson is a player who brought New Zealand to the finals in World Cup 2019, whereas David Warner also has a lot of experience in captaincy. He have captained Australian side also in many matches. So we are having a lot of experience in captaincy, and even Bhuvneshwar Kumar also sets the field really well. This means that the bond in the team is really good as compared to RCB. That's the reason I guess RCB is not able to win IPL matches and come to the playoffs, whereas we Sunrisers
now we
Hyderabad.
have even now we have many captains in RCB. Aaron Finch captains Australia,
See,
and
here
Yeah,
the
Virat
here,
Kohli
wait,
India.
Aditya, wait. Here
yeah,
the
yeah.
topic is not about the captainship or something. We all know RCB has only like Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli will only be the captain of RCB. Here, the
Yeah,
point is
that's
not
true.
about
yeah,
captaincy.
that's
They're
yeah.
talking about the most experience and how the team can be managed by the captains or the
Yeah.
players.
See, Aaron Finch as a captain, we know that, but why did he get captaincy for Australian side? Because Steve Smith and David Warner, they were banned from captaincy. That's the reason he got the chance of captaining the team. But David Warner is more experienced as a captain, and if we see, both can take crucial decisions on the field, like Kane and David Warner. Even though Kane is not playing in the playing 11, he can give suggestions as a substitute fielder as well, and can help the team winning. Especially in 2018, we've seen they've defended low totals.
And you are forgetting one thing. Only one will play, either David Warner or Kane Williamson. You're forgetting
Yeah,
the
that's
thing because Rashid Khan
Yeah,
just
yeah. Let
Yeah,
me tell. A substitute fielder, we can use Kane as substitute fielder, right? Can't we?
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
okay.
can. Yeah.
And one more thing,
But
let me
only
talk about the depth of Sunrisers Hyderabad. If you see the bowling unit, okay, let me talk about the bowling unit now. We have Bhuvneshwar Kumar, we have Khalil Ahmed, we have Sandeep Sharma, we have Siddharth Kaul, we have Rashid Khan, we have Mohammad Nabi. If you see Bhuvneshwar Kumar, 2 times Purple Cap winner, I don't have to tell about him. If you see Khalil Ahmed, you saw him last year, how aggressive he was and how wickets he took last year. And
yeah.
Sandeep Sharma was a player who bought many wins for Kings 11 Punjab when he used to play for Punjab. And Rashid Khan and Mohammad Nabi, they're playing really well right now in West Indies Caribbean Premier
yeah.
League. In the Pacers, like CPL wickets, I mean, the West Indies wickets are good. Like they offer
He's
good.
known for pace. Okay.
Is known for paces, but these both are doing really well. Even Fabian Allen is also doing really well. And this shows that our players are in form. Even David Warner also got a half century against England. So even Bairstow is also in good form. These
This time
all the players are in
we
form.
had
Yeah, if you
venues.
talk about the
Stayed on
openers,
the
they both were unsuccessful in recent series. They both
Oh,
were out at the single digits. David
who
Warner and Johnny Bairstow.
which series?
Johnny
England and
Bairstow.
Australia.
Yeah.
Series, yeah, recent series.
Okay.
They both
Yeah.
were out at single digits. So what do you say about that?
English.
Will an openers be in a form?
See, that is
What do you say?
international cricket, man. Okay, let me tell you, they are at
International.
least playing matches, right? They're playing matches and they are in good touch.
you two raised some points again in international cricket, like about David Warner and Aaron Finch. Those are also international crickets, right?
Yeah, yeah, but man, I'm talking about, they are having somewhat practice, right? Cricket practice, but whereas you are like you players are depending about Virat, who spent a lot of time in home, like 5 or 6 months in Mumbai.
Quarantine.
Yeah, in quarantine.
Like, as we are complete lockdown. So yeah, practice is there, but as compared to these players, because they're playing an international
Yeah,
matches in
match
England,
practice is
like
the best way to practice. As you write
yeah,
exams, then
it's
only you
different. Yeah,
practice. Yeah, it's just like practicing. Practicing is the best thing. Though you're most experienced, you still need to practice, and that's what leads to win. And
Yeah.
RCB
Yeah,
is not having much
I have
practice, I
that
guess.
point. And, I think this time Dale Steyn will be very crucial, and I even think that Dale Steyn's
Okay,
variations can help
so you're
in
comparing yours and ours bowling unit, or what are you comparing now?
SRH will take lead in this part because your pace department your pace department is very less experienced compared to
Less
RCB
Yeah.
experience. Oh,
because we have
Bhuvneshwar
Dale
is
Less.
less
Steyn.
experienced.
Yeah,
Yeshu, come on, clap,
see,
clap.
UAE
Bhuvneshwar is
team has
less experienced, it seems.
the pace, right?
And Rashid,
what I am total
yes.
your total bowling department. Sandeep
Oh,
Sharma and Siddharth Kaul has not
Sandeep
played
Sharma is less experienced, according
much
to
of
you.
Not more
not
Okay.
experience.
that.
Sandeep
So
Sharma,
what about
Siddharth Kaul.
what about Navdeep Saini and all? Are they experienced, and what do you say about them? Navdeep
Yeah,
Yeah.
Saini.
Navdeep Saini. Yeah, he had
Experience.
played
See,
T20 so
we
far.
Many
all know
India
that
games.
In
SRH is
USA,
Many
a
Khalil Ahmed is not
bowling
experienced.
unit, right?
Khalil Ahmed played in very well in 2018 Asia Cup, where it was conducted in Dubai. I mean UAE.
Okay, Khalil Ahmed, leave about him. What about Sandeep Sharma and Siddharth Kaul?
Arey, Sandeep Sharma has been
Dude,
like
wait,
really
wait.
good for Kings 11 Punjab over the years.
Did you
But
remember
in
in last
recent years, he was
national
more
test?
expensive. In the recent years, he was more expensive for the Kings 11 Punjab.
And Sandeep Sharma also has a good track record against Virat Kohli. He took many wicket,
Yeah,
many times
he
he took
began. He
wicket
took
of
many
Virat
wickets
Kohli.
of
Do you know
Virat.
that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that does not depend because even Shreyas Gopal and many other
Yeah.
bowlers took Virat Kohli's wicket. That
Hat
did
trick.
that
Stars.
not
Can't just.
tell Virat
Wait,
Kohli is a
wait.
world back.
I'll
That
Once
make
or
it
twice,
clear. I'll
many
make it
times,
clear.
more than 5 times, more than 5 times. Let me tell you.
Adi,
more
wait. Let
than
me
what?
wait.
Then
See,
what?
wait.
Har-
We all
Ricky
know that SRH is an bowling unit, right?
Yeah.
So
SRH
we have defended
over
many
the
low
years.
scores in 2018.
Yeah. Yeah,
We have
yeah,
defended
true.
low scores, and how can you say that your
That's
bowling
only
unit is
because
very weak?
in luck by your favor. Sometimes
In
the
favor.
pitches are helpful for you. At that time in
Adi,
those
every
totals,
match is not luck, right? Every match winning is not luck, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
We
In
were we were
2018,
we were on the
2018,
table top almost the
we
whole
have
season. We
defended
were on the
one.
table top.
Yeah.
2018 whole season we were on the tabletop. How can you
Table
say that
topper.
luck favored you and you have won like that pitches
Yeah,
condition?
In Wankhede, where it is known for like runs, like more of runs, in that stadium we have defended 118, that too against Mumbai Indians, where at number 7 Hardik Pandya played. So you can understand how good, and even in that match,
Yeah, that's
Bhunesh
why you
was
can't just say that. We
in
all
that
know SRH is a bowling unit, right?
he was the game there. Do you know that?
but I think SRX bowling unit will fail at pressure because
Yeah.
Sandeep Sharma can't face pressure.
May not.
We had seen in finals in 2018, I think.
You
18.
fell in pressure. So once, just before saying someone something, think about yourself
Think about
once.
your team. Your team,
Yeah. From
see,
the
we
last
have
3 years,
youngsters.
you didn't even qualify for the playoffs, and you're talking about Sunrisers Hyderabad bowling unit.
See, here the issue is not about bowling team at all for us. There's no issue in our bowling team, like bowling unit.
Okay.
Sorry, there's
In the
no.
experience.
Pacers
You
are not
see,
experienced for you except Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Khalil.
Yeah, let me say
And
about the
I don't
Sandeep,
think SRX
Billy Stanley,
resources left. They are
remember the
having
name.
Billy Stanley and they are not playing him. Billy Stanley is an excellent bowler.
How
They
can you say
don't
David
know
Warner
how
will
to
not play
use
him?
the
How can
resources.
you say any day anything can happen? That's what IPL is all about.
let me say
Yeah,
about experience. In last for SRH,
Game.
Kumar played. But for us, there was no Dale Steyn for our death bowling. But this time we have Dale Steyn. So this time we have
So we had
we may have
Umesh Yadav, right?
Who
Wait.
is
We
Dave
had
Steyn
Umesh Yadav.
especially?
No, dude, we have Umesh Yadav, right? Umesh Yadav.
Umesh
Yadav can't be the space attack. That's for sure because
the
he
bowling mode,
he's
bowling
a
unit.
not wicket taker. He's not an attacking bowler. He's a
Okay,
supportive bowler.
let us get out of this point. Now let us talk about the all rounders. Okay, we have Mitchell Marsh, we have Mohammad Nabi, we have Fabian Allen, we have Rashid Khan as an all rounder. We have Vijay Shankar. So who all guys do you
Who
have?
all-rounders do we have?
Yeah,
We have
that's
Shiva, Chris Morris, Green Ali, Washington Sundar, and I think many more. Let's see. Wait for a minute. Just a second.
let me talk about the middle
Don't
order.
Google,
From the
Google, you
past,
cannot Google.
okay. From the
I'm
past
not
2 years, your middle order have been failed. Your middle order have been failed continuously from the
Then
past 2
what
years. What
Morbid will have?
That's why we have ballers, no? That's why we have a good unit
That's
of
why we have
bowlers.
amazing bowlers.
Bowlers who can defend even
yeah,
low scores.
always you
180,
cannot depend on the bowlers, right?
Yeah,
Always not right. You
See,
cannot
there
depend on
are
the
some.
bowlers.
Wait.
See,
Yeah.
one
Wait.
great
There
person
are
said
Adi.
this one.
Wait. See, there
If
are some
batsmen
matches.
can win you a game, bowlers can win you a tournament. Do you know that? Batsmen can hit a century in one match, can get duck out in the second match, but it's not the same about bowlers. They will be taking wickets. They will be stopping the runs. So bowling, if the bowling unit is good, I mean they can easily win the tournament compared to the batting unit. As example is RCB only in
RCB only
2016.
had a very
Your
good batting
batting
unit,
was
right?
best in 2016. So what did you guys do? The middle order was perfect. You had Shane Watson, you had KL Rahul, you had Chris Gale, you had AB de Villiers, you had
ABD, yeah,
Virat.
Virat Kohli.
What did
We
you guys
had
do? Did you win the
Binny.
tournament? No, right? That's the reason we are having good bowling unit, and unit is always important. And that time you don't have proper bowlers, like you had these Chris, not even Chris Jordan and all. Though the pressure was like more on them, so the bowling unit failed, and you guys ultimately lost the cup.
That
And
time
from
we don't have any that time we don't have any experienced bowler. That's the reason we may not defend properly. But this time we
that's what,
have an
man.
experience.
That's what we're defending, right? Bowling unit is more important than
Dude,
batting
from
unit. That's what we
2000,
wanted to
wait,
prove.
Adi. From 2018,
Yeah,
we
Yeah, I
had
agree.
low scores, man.
again we have
Bowling
to,
unit is
again we
very
have come
important in that.
See,
Let's
again
end
as
up
we have
the quiz fastly.
wait.
yeah
I mean, let's end
See,
up the
our
debate fastly.
openers
It's
are
already
there,
17
na.
minutes. Last 4-5 minutes.
2019,
yeah come let's come to batting.
wait, 2019, our openers were good, right? Against RCB, first match, what did they do?
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
the openers did
What did
century,
happen?
right?
Johnny Bairstow century, David Warner century,
They
Mohammad
were
Nabi
did a
4 wickets,
century.
and that too in
Yeah,
Hyderabad,
Wait,
where
see,
it's a good
first,
friendly wicket.
yeah,
That
it's true. But
Ah,
according to the
Hyderabad is
form, they are not like according to
Hyderabad's pitch is very fixed. It does not have any help for the bowlers. You guys know that
sorry.
What? Can you please repeat?
Hyderabad's wicket is very flat and it does not offer any help to the bowlers.
But still, Mohammad Nabi took 4 wickets. That's what we were telling.
Yeah, okay. It's his performance. He's a very good bowler, so he can perform well.
Wait, then, one second. Then why didn't your batsman score?
Yeah, please tell me.
Why
That
didn't your
because of
batsman? You had the
failure.
best unit, now. You had the best unit. You had very good batsmen, experienced batsmen. Then why did your team did not score that 200 something plus?
Every
Why
team
did
has an
Oh, you around 118 runs. You know that Johnny Bairstow's score is one more than the
114?
RCB score.
IPL
And
history. But
He has scored
113, and
113, bro.
Johnny Bairstow score is 114. So waste of time for Warner hitting a century. Ultimately, that happened.
No, it's not like that. But you're saying now it will not like help the bowlers. Then why didn't your batsman score against our bowlers?
Yeah. Please.
Please.
because of performance. Yeah, I agree that sometimes it's an off day for everyone.
yeah.
Then
We
what
should
is
have
the point, bro? What is the point of making like telling this
Every
point
day,
now?
if every day unluck comes, and you can't talk about lucks and unlucks over here. This is IPL. This is the world's best Premier
And
League.
again in this year you
yeah.
cannot talk as much gap has come. Anybody
Yeah.
don't know what
No,
happens.
no.
Yeah,
I'm
I
no.
won't be surprised even if RR and KXIP play the finals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
too.
Yeah,
They may improve
that's
their volume.
that's
Maybe
they
who
may
knows?
they may play.
Anything can happen.
No,
Yeah.
I'm saying
Yeah.
to like
But
him, but
see,
he made a point. Now, then what is the use of making this point, saying that it was not our luck or it did not favor us? See, then it's a waste of point. It's a waste point, now. You're raising that point,
cowards
then
say
it's a
that.
waste
Only
of
cowards say
point.
that point. That's not a point which is worthy
See,
of
that's
saying in the debate. Unluck. How can you even talk about unluck and luck over here in the debate? Even SRH also had many situations where the batting order collapsed, but
but
bowling
our
unit
bowling
many
unit,
times rescued our
uh,
matches.
team, yeah, matches him.
No, so any point you have left out so that we can defend ourselves? Please raise out. The time is running.
Yeah, about your middle
Uh,
order
your
mainly.
bet
Last 2 years,
on.
your middle order have been failing. So what's the
We have
reason?
Manish Pandey, we have Vijay Shankar. They are very hungry of coming into the Indian team, so they will perform. We have that confidence. And
Dude,
moreover,
now
Manish Pandey is the first Indian to score a century in IPL. Do you know that?
Yeah, okay. Manish Pandey,
Yeah,
okay.
I know that.
Vijay Shankar
Hmm.
didn't perform a good performance in
Yeah, let
SRH
me tell you.
order.
Last year, 2019, the first ball of Yuzvendra Chahal, Vijay Shankar hit it for a six. So
see
Vijay
that.
Shankar is a good
Yeah,
all-rounder where
that's
he was
fine.
picked into a
Cannot
good
decide a
squad.
match, right?
He's
One
talking
ball
about
cannot decide.
Fine, fine. Wait. Let me. I'm saying, like, let him wait.
he's
See,
talking about
we
football.
now our batting style, middle order is at least fine as compared to the last time. Before in 2019, we would depend upon the bowlers
Yeah,
and the openers, I think. But
This
now
is
we
what
have
we are
Manish
talking
Pandey.
about our.
We have
This
Imran
time we
Khan, who
have
is good
got
at
Priyam Garg, Virat
who
Singh.
is
We have Priyam Garg, Virat
Virat
Singh. We
Singh.
have Abdul Samad who's doing really well in the nets now, and we have Abhishek Sharma also. So the middle order is quite fine, I think
Priyanka
now. Priyam
played
Garg
well
is the
in the
captain
under
of
19,
the
right?
19 Indian team. He performed really well in the World Cup. He took the Indian team to the finals. Of course, they lost in the finals, but still Priyam Garg is a very good captain, I feel, and more than a captain, he's a good batsman. He has done really well in the middle order, especially. So
Yeah,
Priyam Garg is a good option. Virat Singh has done really well in the domestic cricket, and Abdul Samad is, is an many seniors like many people like I exactly don't know the name, but they have told that Abdul Samad is a good player. He's like a gifted talent. He has a gifted talent, blessed talent. He's playing unorthodox shots in the Sunrisers nets now, currently in Dubai. So
Yeah, let me say.
so
the mid
now
is really
our
good.
middle order is fine as compared to last time in 2019. Now
Yeah,
let's see.
this is
Let's see now
this is the
how
even
our
this
middle
time
order is
RCB is
performing.
very balanced than
That's why
20.
he's gonna play
This
a
time
crucial role
RCB
because
was
he can bowl you 2 overs as a spinner, especially in UAE pitches. As you already know, the spinners are going to be crucial, and moreover, he can bat in the deep. So
yeah.
that's
This is
the Sunrise Hyderabad. And if you have any point remaining, you can please raise.
yeah.
The time is
You
already
said
running 23
yeah.
minutes. Yeah,
You
please.
said that your middle order is good compared to last year. This is the point we have raised in our bowling unit also. Our bowling unit is this time it's good compared to the last year. This is the point we have raised in our
Fine,
bowling unit.
let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, bro,
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. True.
But
Yeah.
let's
Accepted.
see. Okay, that's true. I accept that. But let's see this year, like this time, what will be going on? Let's see this time because on I don't know the date, but first match is with Azhar, right?
and I think this time the team management of RCB will look into split captaincy. They have a separate bowling department captain who will be
Okay.
obviously Dave's
Okay.
team.
Once let me tell you, if you are having
So
a
they are
plate
checking like
and all the curries and all the chapatis, whatever is all there in that plate, and if you don't eat, the hunger is not yet completed. If you eat only, the hunger is completed, right? So RCB also the same thing. They are having good squad, they're having good bowlers, good batsmen, good all rounders, but there is no result over the years. I don't know whether
for
it's
the
about
best
unluck
time
or
and
something like that.
they
There is something in Virat
are
Kohli's captaincy
their
fault.
first time.
Nothing I don't know, but I can easily say that RCB is not going to win this year cup. SRH also 50-50 chances, but
Yeah.
again, I can easily predict that RCB
But
is not
coming
going to win
to
this
our
IPL.
maybe
They
our
may
luck
qualify
And
for
or
the
this is
playoffs, but they are not going to
you
win.
say fault
Better.
in the
Yeah.
Virat Kohli captaincy. What about India? You say fault in the Virat Kohli's captaincy. Then what is the point to
Yeah.
the
I
India?
can I
see,
can tell that. I can tell that.
dude,
But see, if you want to
World Cup,
create
Dhoni was
controversies,
there.
if you want to create
Wait,
controversies, you
fine.
can create, but not here. Virat Kohli,
See,
yeah,
World
that's
Virat
the
Kohli,
reason.
Dhoni was there. No,
Yeah,
Dhoni
you
was
know, in
there.
2019 World Cup I mean semi-final, he could send Dhoni before. Why did he send Pant and Hardik before? He could send Dhoni before. That's
Because
what.
he wanted to
See
prove
that you leave that point.
with Rohit
Dhoni
Sharma
was
as
there,
the
bro.
backup
Dhoni
option,
was
we don't
there.
Dhoni,
fight
See,
18
even
final
he had
Champions
the
you
Trophy.
can't
What about that? Winning the toss and taking
you can't
bowling first.
expect it.
Yeah.
see here the
Because
point is
Dhoni
not about Indian thing. See, Indian team is a different level, and this IPL is different level. You can't compare both these.
Yeah, he was like, he was like, taking a point about
Dude,
Virat Kohli's captaincy. That's the reason I had to
he
take that.
has sent
no. But that is different level,
Yeah,
and this is
okay, I
different
agree. I
level. You
agree.
can't
Shiva, I
compare
agree.
those.
Yeah, let us not fight. Let us not fight. We are both
Yes,
a
same.
team. Yeah, yeah. So let us end the debate, or you have any point remaining? We are done with our points.
Uh,
last point
that is
yeah,
depend
he
on
was
this
waiting.
thing.
Yeah, please. Time is running. Please.
is Sala Cup namde.
Yes. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ
You know, 12
ಪಕ್ಕ
years
ಆರ್
and
ಸಿ
this
ಬಿ
is 13th year you're saying this. Okay.
ಪಕ್ಕ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ
This
ಪಕ್ಕ
time we
ಆರ್ ಸಿ
have
ಬಿ
won.
ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಆಲ್ ದ
Let's see.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್
We never say that Isari Cup Made, but we every time get quali
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಈ ಸಲ
playoff.
ಕಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ
Isala Cup RCB. Come on, let us tell.
ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ
Dream 11 2020 Cup RCB.
Yeah, let us see. But the only luck factor is that you have your logo, man.
Everything
Your new
Yeah.
logo and your new helmet is really good actually. But don't know about the result. I think they are gonna qualify for this playoffs, but I don't think so. They will win the tournament. This is and audience. I'm really sorry if you are hurt by my words and
Yeah.
all. But let
Not
us see.
actually,
What
not mine
happens tonight.
with us.
Yeah. And
It's
my dear
I just
audience, please
defend
subscribe to Varshin Tej Dancer channel. He's an amazing dancer. You can see him. He dances for Telugu and Hindi songs. Please subscribe to his channel. I will give the link in the description. Yeah, thank you guys. Everyone
thank
say
you.
bye to my audience.
Bye
And
bye.
we
Good
will
night.
see you in episode 3.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, bye guys. Let's meet in the episode 3.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye. See you. Be safe. Be healthy. Stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye. Good night.